Hello everyone, I am Payal of first semester pursuing my computer science and engineering specialization in cybersecurity degree from Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering, and today's subject is applied chemistry for CS system, and today's topic is e-waste management. Before starting with e-waste management, first come to know about waste and waste management. Waste can take any form, that is solid, liquid or gas. It can be any substance which is discarded after primary use. For example, municipal solid waste, hazardous waste, wastewater, biomedical waste, electronic waste, that is e-waste or etc. Now come to know about waste management. Waste management can be defined as all the activities and actions required to manage waste from its collection to its disposal. E-waste or electronic waste. E-waste can be defined as electronic products that have become unwanted, that is, no working, and have essentially reached the end of their useful life. Source of e-waste. So, the main sources of e-waste are electronic devices such as TVs, computer monitors, laptops, and display devices. Telecommunication devices such as cell phones, calculators, audio and video devices, printers, scanners, fax machines, etc. Electronic components such as sensors, alarms, sirens, security devices, and automobile electronic devices. Kitchen equipments like coffee makers and microwave ovens, and laboratory equipment such as hot plates, microscopes, and microwave ovens. Composition of e-waste. So, e-waste mainly consists of valuable metals like gold, platinum, silver, and palladium. Useful metals like copper, aluminium, iron, etc. Hazardous substances like radioactive isotopes and mercury, and plastic like polystyrene, polycarbonate, polyphenylene oxide, etc. Characteristics of e-waste. E-waste is generally characterized by analyzing the components and compositions of waste, that is, hazardous components in e-waste and material composition of e-waste. Hazardous components in e-waste. Electronic waste consists of a large number of components of various sizes and shapes, some of which contains hazardous components that need to be removed for separate treatment. Material composition of e-waste. Electronic waste contains a mixture of various metals, particularly copper, aluminium and steel, etc. Need of e-waste management. Management of e-waste is important because e-waste is a complex mixture of metals, organics and ceramics. So, disposing of e-waste in landfills can cause serious environmental issues. E-waste can be toxic as it is non-biodegradable and can be accumulated in the environment, that is in the soil, air, water and living things. E-waste management decreased raw material demand and reduced greenhouse gas emission. Management of e-waste is also necessary to protect environment and to support non-renewable recycling, as e-waste cause air pollution, soil pollution and water pollution, and also cause harm to environment and health. Toxic materials used in manufacturing of electronic and electrical products. So there are so many materials used in manufacturing electronic and electrical products which are toxic, such as circuit board contains lead and cadmium, CRT monitors contains lead and barium, flat screen monitors and switches contains mercury, rechargeable batteries contains cadmium, lead, sodium, lithium, nickel, etc. and presence of heavy metals like cadmium, chromium, copper, nickel, tin, silver and gold. Health hazards due to exposure to e-waste. Electronic waste also affect our health, like lead damages our central nervous system, cadmium damages kidneys, mercury damages central nervous system and kidneys, carbon black in printed cartridges causes carcinogenic effect, PVC wire insulation causes carcinogenic effects, dioxins and furans affect gastrointestinal irritation, DNA damages, and adverse birth effects. Now, let's discuss about role of stakeholders in environmental management of e-waste, that is, role of producers, consumers, recyclers, and statutory bodies in environmental management of e-waste. So, first discuss about the role of producer in environmental management of e-waste. The accountability to collect green tax, charging an additional amount on consumer during sale of e-products and returning it with interest at the time of exchange of e-products, forming the group of manufacturers who monitor and encourage the recycling of e-waste, bearing the cost of transportation and collection fees to ease the collection process, purchase the recycled material at fixed value and using of recycled e-waste during manufacturing, giving discount to consumer on the basis of e-waste generated from gadgets. Now come to the role of consumers in environmental management of e-waste. So the first one is accountability to pay green taxes, develop self-awareness on e-waste management and involve in awareness programs and returning back of e-waste to collection units. Now come to the role of recyclers in the environmental management of e-waste. The accountability of recycling units is dismantling. Establish the collection units and the group of people who can ensure return back of e-products by consumer in exchange offer. Collect the e-waste from the collection units, dealers or retailers, providing incentives when proper collection of e-waste assured by collection unit, and recycling the materials from e-waste. Role of statutory body in management of e-waste: to collect the green tax from consumers or producers, apply some extra charge on the producers in the form of penalty when no proper recycling of e-waste, provide the incentives in the form of subsidy to recyclers and collectors when recycling of e-waste is monitored properly, to conduct programs of awareness in the society about importance of e-waste recycling in reduction of hazardous substances. That is all about e-waste and its management. Thank you.